You are constantly identifying yourself with the objects of your mind, with the objects of the world. What is wrong in it? What is wrong? If I identify myself with it, I'll tell you what happened. Someone went to a Swami and said, "Sir, I have been dying to learn the method of meditation." Swami said, "Look here. Go to a small room, not big rooms, don't hang any picture, sit down there. Meditate on the bull for 7 days. And then you learn the effect of meditation." Only effect? He said, "No, you will realize what meditation is. First you will know, then I will give you the right method." So he went there. So after 6 days intense meditation, he said, "I cannot come out. My horns are too big. My body is huge." You see, he assumed the form of the bull by meditating on the bull. What is your at present, what are you doing? You are doing the same thing. You see, you have assumed certain form. I am weak, I am weak, I am weak. Whole day you say, "I cannot do this. Honey, I am suffering, please help." You lean on others. You are not tapping the resources within yourself. That's why you are suffering.